Hey, hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Urban Outfitter order. All official ways, all steps you can see on your screen, so let's get started.
It's very easy to cancel your Urban Outfitters order online from their official website. Unless your order is shipped, you are allowed to cancel it, and if your order is already shipped, you can only return your order by following their given guidelines. Method 1. Cancel my Urban Outfitters order online. Visit the official website of Urban Outfitters and log into your profile. Provide your details and go to the order history. Choose the order you wish to cancel and click on the Cancel Order or Cancel Items button there. Confirm the procedure and you are done with your order cancellation. After you are done with this procedure, you will receive a confirmation email regarding your cancellation order in about 1 to 3 business days and you won't be required to pay any cancellation charges. And you are done. If your order is shipped, then how can you return my Urban Outfitters order? Urban Outfitters allow their customers to return or exchange their orders if they are defective or unused. You can return your online order via mail, or if you purchased it from their store, you can return it back there. Their policy says that if you return an order within 30 days of its delivery date, you will be provided a refund according to the original form of payment. Also, if you return your orders later than 30 days, you will be refunded in the form of an e-credit. And you are done. If you want to know how to return online order, then make a comment how to return order. I will make another video tutorial for you. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily cancel your Urban Outfitters order. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.